Welcome to the beautiful shores of Goa. When most people think of these beaches, they picture relaxing vacations, warm sunshine, and gentle waves. But long before the tourists wake up, the true heartbeat of the coast is already pounding. Here, generations of local fishermen rely on the Arabian Sea for their livelihood. Today, I want to share a fascinating glimpse into their daily routine. Looking at the size of this vessel, you realize the massive challenge. Moving a heavy hull across soft, dry sand is incredibly difficult. You might expect them to use round rolling logs, but watch carefully. The tools under the boat are actually square wooden beams, known as skids. They lay completely flat, creating a solid, stable track over the sand. So, without wheels, how do they move it? It comes down to raw human teamwork. To conquer the intense friction of wood scraping against wood, watch them apply a thick, black liquid, likely used machine oil or grease, directly onto the skids. Listen to their rhythm. Moving as one synchronized unit, they push the heavy vessel inch by inch over the oiled wood. This beautifully displays human ingenuity, relying on basic physics and community effort. As the boat inches closer to the waterline, the energy builds. Finally, the payoff arrives. The hull meets the incoming surf, the ocean's buoyancy takes over, and the grounding weight vanishes. The vessel is free, heading out to sea, a true reminder of Goa's hard-working fishing tradition.